Hey beautiful people, today I have got something exciting to share with you. If you have been dreaming of beautiful healthy hair, feast your eyes on the Indoze Hair Oil, a magical treatment for your locks, packed with nourishing ingredients like argan oil and vitamin E. It's your ticket to glossy frizz-free hair. And wait, there's more. Introducing the Indoze Hair Serum, the perfect partner to our hair oil. This lightweight serum adds an extra layer of shine and protection. It's like a spa day for your hair. Trust me. Let me show you how easy it is to use these wonders. A few drops of the hair oil massaged into your scalp. Can you believe the transformation? After using Indoze, say goodbye to dull hair days. But don't just take my word for it. Our amazing customers are raving about the Indoze combo pack. Jane says, Indoze brought my hair back to life. And Mark shares, the serum is now my daily go-to for that extra shine. And guess what? For the limited time when you grab the hair oil and hair serum of combo pack, you will receive a special gift, the hair accessory, to elevate your styling game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your hair care routine. Swipe up, check out the link in the description, and let's unlock the secret to fabulous hair together. Trust me, your locks will thank you.